What the beetles are doing, they're eating the dried flesh off the skeletons of the whatever we have in here. In this case, it's a pigeon. So they'll be eating all the flesh off until there's nothing left. Then I'll remove this and freeze it so we have no living beetles escaping into the rest of the museum. After freezing, then I'll take the skeleton and wash it so we have clean, immaculate, degreased bones so we can study individual bones of individual species. We are in the biology lab here at the Science Museum. It's on the third level. It's not visible or open to the general public. This lab involves a lot of biological processing, and what I'm doing is saving a lot of specimens for biological study in the future. We may use them for exhibits, we may use them for educational programs, we may use them for research. We have a tremendous variety of birds and mammals and reptiles, amphibians, and we have skeletal materials processed from some of them. We have some that are exotic animals that are no longer found in the wild, some zoo animals. When I prepare specimens, there's something I learn from each one. I like to look at variation. I like to look at geographic variation among species. And now we have removed the eye. And there, I'm going to cut off the back of the head and remove the base of the skull. And then I will lift the back end of the skull out, and then I will remove the brain. It's a no-brainer now. And I had one little girl ask me if I'd do this to her brother one day when she saw the process. I started doing this when I was 8 years old, and I haven't stopped.